Good morning, sir. I am Banusri from Civil Department. Today my topic about is mastering strings, declaration and initialization technique wise. Introduction to string mastery. In this presentation we will explore string declaration and initialization technique wise. In programming, understanding these concepts is crucial for effective test manipulation and data handling. Let's dive into the variation methods to master string operations. What is a string? A string is a sequence of characters used to represent text. In programming, it is an essential data type that allows for the manipulation of textual data. Understanding how to work with strings is fundamental for any developer. String declaration basis. Declaration: a string involves specifying its type and name. In many programming languages, you can declare a string using the string keyword. This is the first step in utilizing strings efficiently in your code. String initialization technique wise. String can be initialized in variation ways, include use literals or constructors. For example, you can directly assign a value or use a built-in function to create a string. Understanding these technique wise is vital for effective string management. Using string literals. A string literal is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. This is the most common way to create strings. It's essential to know how to properly use quotes to avoid syntax errors when declared string literals. String constructor overview. Many programming languages provide constructors for string creations. For instance, in Java, you can use the string class constructor. This method allows for more complex string initialization, such as setting an empty string. Multi-line string. Multi-line string allows you to define strings that span multi-lines. This can be achieved using triple quotes. In languages like Python, it's useful for certain formatted text or documentation with your code. String interpolation. String interpolation is a technique that allows you to embed variables within strings. This is commonly used in languages like JavaScript and Python, making it easy to create dynamic strings with variable content. Escape sequence in string. Escape sequences are special characters used within strings to represent certain actions such as new lines or tabs. Understanding escape sequence is crucial for formatting strings correctly and avoiding errors. Best party states for strings. When working with strings, always consider memory management and performance. Use immutable strings when possible to avoid unintended side effects. Following best practice ensures your code is efficient and manageable. Common string functions. Most programming languages provide built-in functions for string manipulation such as length, subtracting, and repulsion. Familiarizing yourself with these functional enhance your ability to work with strings efficiently. Conclusion: master strings. In conclusion, mastering strings declaration and initialization technique wise is essentially for effective programming by understanding by variation method and best practice. You can enhance your coding skills had handling test had with confidence. Thank you, sir.